I hope the heck he knows where he's going here. I don't see no water this ground. That's asphalt, used to be. I think he got himself into. Oh, there we go. There's some pavement. Check it out. Okay, guys, we're gonna get on the road. Here's Kyle. He's all decked out. He's got his KTM 390. Is this the 390 Adventure?
Correct.
390 Adventure X?
No, just Adventure.
Oh, 390 Adventure. All right. So he's got his decked out with some Nelson Rigg stuff too. Let's go and check out some of this coastline riding over here that I've never done. So yeah, this is a lot different riding over here for me, especially, you know, they got a lot of everything. It's not like Florida, you got the coast to ride on there, but in Florida, all you got is pretty much flat land anywhere in the state. And then here you got the coast, you got some sand, ride along the beaches. I don't know if there's any place anymore that you can ride on the beach, but you can ride along and stop and look at the beaches, and you can just take off from there. It's not too far. You can be up in the woods in the mountains. So that's really cool. Good thing I'm following Kyle because I have no idea where I'm going. If you notice on there, he just got one of the saddlebags on the one side. Do you see that show off? He's on that KTM 390. We're a little closer to evenly matched anyway than we was when he's on the 1190 or that 690. My luck, I done that, there'd be a state trooper sitting right there. No doubt about it. You did that, and a state trooper sitting right there.
Ah, perfect.
No, that would have been good. You guys got to check out Kyle Bradshaw's channel. It's called Mini Bikes. So he does lots of different stuff. He does, of course, Nelson Rigg stuff, but he also does reviews on those tires. He's got several different brands he tries them out, and I mean, he does pretty detailed reviews, in depth, and he knows a lot of tires and what's good for what type of terrain. You know, how long they're pretty much going to last you, depending on the type of riding you do. So you go check out Mini Bikes if you're in the market for tires, and he also sells the tires. So pretty cool. It is a beautiful day. I was going to check here and see what the temperature is today, but it actually feels pretty good today. If I can get to my watch, this 300L don't have a temperature probe on it, so. But my watch is actually usually pretty accurate to where I'm at. Oh, it says 73. That's not bad at all. Feels good. Wiener Schnitzel? What the heck is a Wiener Schnitzel? Kyle said we're going to go bike surfing. I don't know what that is, but I guess we'll find out. Whoa, check this jump out. Hit the throttle at the wrong time. Uh-oh. There's a 5.0 right there, too. I hit the throttle at the wrong time back here. I'm glad I did. You see that cop? Because that cop was right there.
Oh, when I did the wheelie?
Yeah, no, right there when we went over that
Oh,
thing.
everything I do today is going to be a
On the
cop.
right, the cop was sitting right there. I said on the camera, I said, I hit the throttle because I hit the throttle the wrong time to bring it up.
Oh, yeah.
Too early or too late. But anyway, and then I seen you kind of a little bit, and then I looked there, he's sitting right there. It's like, well, I'm glad I hit the throttle at the wrong time.
Well, that's the one thing about this area. There's always a cop everywhere.
Yeah, no doubt. Seagate and Huntington Secret. Oh, so we're at Huntington. I guess Huntington Beach. I don't know. Leaving at 39. CBR goes idling past us. Here we are doing that, and that CBR just kind of just like it ain't nothing. I don't know what I run over. Maybe it's just a belt. I was hoping it wasn't a piece of steel or something, but oh, this must be Highway 1 or something. Maybe. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought he was going to go down that way. I don't know why he didn't go up that hill. Pretty good little climb. We saw a couple, there they are down there, some dirt bikers down there in the bottom. You probably can't see them too good on the camera, but they're right down there. Uh-oh, where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, he went down there where those guys are, those kids. We'll go down there and check them out. Whoa, there's a good drop right there.
You ever take that thing off any sweet jump?
Nah, you can't jump this thing. It ain't got suspension to jump very good.
Oh, man, I think we could jump it. You guys want to try?
Bottom it out. You took off. I went up the hill. The one we come down, that steep one.
Yeah. Oh, it's awesome.
Hey, they got like a little track out here. You dang sure wouldn't want to hit that by mistake, would you?
Why not?
Go ahead. Yeah. Uh-oh, he's going to catch some air. He's going to catch some air. Better get the heck out of the way. Watch out. Oh, I thought he was going to jump out. You guys better be recording. Viral video coming up. I tried to move out of your way. I thought you was going to jump that hole.
Jump in the hole. All right. Let's get some water.
I hope a heck he knows where he's going here. I don't see no water this ground. That's asphalt, used to be. I think he got himself into. Oh, there we go. There's some pavement. Check it out. Uh-oh. I mean, the kid's little play pen out there is actually kind of neat. I mean, they got little trails all out through here.
Yeah, we got a little single track in too.
Do what?
We got a little single track in too.
Yeah, no doubt. That's pretty cool.
So, Fred, there's the Pacific Ocean, and there's the oil derricks pumping oil out over here to land so they can then put it on a truck and take it away.
Never seen one of them drill rigs out there in the ocean. That is awesome. On the Pacific Ocean, check out the waves out there, man. I mean, they're crashing in pretty good. Bigger than yesterday. Yesterday it wasn't. There's a lot more miles than that. I can still smell ragweed from that track back there. That little kid's little play track back there. Super cool.